Hey, good morning. It's cruise day. Officially cruise day. We just got up a little while ago, sitting down eating some breakfast, and I gotta say, just a little update on the bed situation. The beds were nice and comfortable. If you like a softer bed, comfort suites, very well done. We are look outside. It's beautiful. There you go. Yep, beautiful. Looking to be still mid-60s, which is okay for us. We're gonna meet up with the family at the port. So we're gonna leave here in a little while, get a lift over to the terminal. Then we got our Fast of the Fun, so we'll have to figure out where to go there. Yeah. Oh! Alright, so major difference with this cruise, right? You know, every cruise you have like a meetup group or like a Facebook group or like a cruise critic group. This group on Facebook is gigantic. So if anybody's watching from the group, you know, salute. Because this is amazing. Like as of this morning, like 840 people. It's insanity. They have shirts for the group. And because we leave on February 29th, this is the Leap Day cruise. We have shirts, we're all gonna wear them. Look at that. Realistically, it's gonna be really fun getting on the ship and seeing all the shirts because there are so many people. We cover a third of the passengers, our group. So it's gonna be interesting. So look forward to that. And you know what? It's about time to get going. Hey, it's time. We're gonna get our lift over to the terminal, and then that's it. I see people with this shirt on at a hotel right over here. It's pretty cool. I'm not gonna point anybody out. So this is what you're dealing with when you get to the Fort Lauderdale, Port Everglades. It's a little bit of a mess, but it's a lot of construction going on. But back here, so they're giving everybody extra medical questionnaires to fill out, and they're being very, very strict on, gotta have IDs out, gotta have all your boarding passes, all your things ready to go. So just be prepared when you get here, be a little patient, fill everything out, especially with everything going on right now. Just so you guys are aware, that's kind of a mess behind me. There's people trying to organize. It's cruise time! Well, I guess technically first is check-in time, but we'll see how smooth this goes. We all have Faster Than Fun, so we'll see the lines and we'll see how it all goes. Bye. Boarding passes. Already. We have
everyone has to hold their own boarding pass, please.
We have Faster Than Fun also.
Okay, if you're Faster Than Fun, over here, please.
Okay. Faster Than Fun is on the left, at least today. We'll see. Shell. Evan.
I'm so ready.
Are you guys excited?
I know, yes.
I don't know if we're actually getting on the ship at this point. Oh, we are going to get on the ship. Yay!
It's workout time. He's doing okay.
Yeah, this is the sharpest I've ever been on. It's official, son!
Yay!
First time on a ship. How you doing? How you doing?
Welcome aboard, guys.
We are back. We're back, baby. room. Evan.
We're here.
All right, let's do it. Crack her open.
Oh, I happen to pull my card too.
Huh, perfect. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. We're in our room. You know where I'm going first.
Oh, I'm going there too.
You know where I'm going first.
Oh my gosh. First balcony.
Oh, oh, give me a break. Long time no see. All right,
Sandy.
let's go see what the inside looks like. So this is a cove balcony. On the last year, we were in a deluxe ocean view, right?
Correct.
Yeah, the deluxe ocean view. So this is the cove balcony rooms. Okay, got our water. Yeah, buddy. Here's the bathroom. Okay, it's your typical bathroom. Yeah, yeah. There you go. It's spacious enough. It works. Okay, let's see the closets. Beauty. 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 I'm gonna do an actual room tour in a little while. Just not yet. What are you guys thinking?
It's awesome.
Just so you know, if you have faster to the fun, you don't have to stand in the line on Embarkation Day. Usually it's pretty busy, so if you're a diamond or you got faster to the fun, little tip, right? Mine's usually about half as short, or half as long, I mean. Sometimes a little faster. So, there you go. Need a drink. It's the way it works. We own the ship. The ship.
I'm following you.
I know you're not. You're not doing anything I say.
I've been 47 years.
Hey! We did this like almost exactly a year ago. Oh yeah, don't mind if I do. Ice cream. It's very slow. we are on the Magic. We are up on the deck. Some of us already got drinks. Already got the ice cream, as you saw. Evan, what do you think?
It's nice to be back.
It's nice to be back. We have muster in a couple hours. Do some shooting around a little bit, do some scenery stuff, and then we'll get back with you after muster. Yeah.